waving. Hello, you guys. Don't be shy. Feel free to wave right back. Say hello to the young man. 7 years old. But you guys remember, he's just a kid, and all kids want is to feel love. So let's make him feel the love. Don't hold back. Give him plenty of applause. And let's encourage this young man. 7 years old. Lives out in Santa Rosa, out in the Santa Rosa area. And in a little while, this young man is actually going to come join me up here in the grandstands, and you guys will get to meet him, talk to him. I hope you got to meet him during the pit party. But the kid's the real deal. He knows what he's doing. Great driver. And I'll tell you, this is the future of monster trucks that you guys are watching.
Don't hit those brakes.
And every time I watch this young man, he gets better and better. He's slowly gathering his own confidence behind the wheel of that truck. When I first met the kid, he was only taking that thing and driving it in laps around the arena. Now he's getting air, he's learning how to throw donuts. The kid can do it all. Beg to get a skateboard, let alone a monster truck. Kid's got it going on. Is he doing it? Oh, he's doing it!
Good job, good job.
Absolutely awesome. Just so you know, that jump is not out there for him. That's a big monster truck jump. The little man just went out there.
Back out and do your donuts and then you can be done.
For the Skull Crusher. I see red flags waving, which means his time is
Come out, do your
officially
donuts
up.
and be done. Right over here,
It's
do
all
your
good.
donuts
He's
and be
gonna come
done.
out and say hello to you guys anyway. This kid loves
Over
the
there.
audience. He loves the applause.
Further out, right there, go.
We'll be up here in the grandstands with you in a little while.